What if I told you that most people accidentally leave hundreds, even thousands of dollars on the table every year? Not because they don't earn enough, but because they miss out on tiny, easy, weekly wins that add up to a fortune. You don't need to drastically cut your lifestyle or get a second job to save serious cash. By the end of this video, you'll have 7 simple, practical weekly habits you can start today to reclaim those lost dollars. Let's kick things off with a classic, the coffee shop challenge. Imagine you grab a $1.05 coffee and a $1.03 pastry every workday. That's $1.40 a week, or roughly $160 a month just on your morning fix. Instead, make coffee at home just 3 days a week. You'll still enjoy your treats sometimes, but you'll save around $1.24 weekly, or over $1.96 a month. That's $152 a year for almost no effort. Next up, the lunchbox revolution. Eating out for lunch often costs $10, $15. Doing that 5 times a week means $50, $75. Easily $200, $300 a month. Packing your lunch just 4 days a week, spending maybe $3, $4 per meal can save you $28, $44 every single week. That's up to $176 a month back in your pocket. Small change, huge impact. Here's one almost everyone overlooks: the subscription audit. How many streaming services, apps, or gym memberships do you truly use? Many of us subscribe and forget, bleeding money every month. Take 15 minutes this week to list all your subscriptions. Cancel the ones you don't use regularly. Even if you cut just 2 at $10 each, that's $20 a month you're instantly saving. Annually, that's $240 freed up. Our 4th weekly win is the grocery list power-up. Impulse purchases at the supermarket are budget killers. You walk in for milk, walk out with a cart full of snacks and things you don't need. Before you leave home, make a detailed grocery list and stick to it religiously. Avoid shopping when hungry. This simple trick can easily cut $10, $20 off your weekly bill. Over a year, that's $520, $1,040 saved. Now for the no-spend day challenge. Pick 1 day a week where you commit to spending absolutely no money. No coffee, no snacks, no online shopping, no gas station stops. It forces you to be resourceful and mindful. Even if you normally spend just $10 on a random Tuesday, that's $10 a week you're not spending, adding up to $520 annually. Plus, it builds amazing discipline. Our 6th tip is the automated savings bump. Most people wait until the end of the month to save what's left, which is usually nothing. Flip that script. Set up an automatic transfer of just $25 from your checking to your savings account every single week. Right after you get paid, you won't even miss it. That's $100 a month, or $300 a year, built without thinking. Finally, the utility power down. Small energy leaks add up. Leaving lights on, charging devices overnight, or keeping the thermostat cranked unnecessarily are all common culprits. Make it a weekly habit to audit your energy usage. Unplug chargers, turn off lights when you leave a room, and adjust your thermostat wisely. Even a small reduction can save you $5, $10 on your monthly bill. Multiply that by 12 months, and you've saved $60, $120 annually. It's not just good for your wallet, it's good for the planet too. These aren't huge sacrifices. They are minor adjustments that put you in control. Imagine implementing just a few of these. $100 here, $20 there. Suddenly you have hundreds of dollars extra each month. The one thing to remember: consistency is king. Small, consistent weekly wins beat grand one-time efforts every single time. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your savings grow. Pick just one weekly win from this list and try it today. You'll be amazed at the difference. And for more honest, simple money lessons that actually work, make sure to subscribe to Penny Wise.